Here is how to delete group chats on your Instagram. Let's do that. Go to your Instagram, go to the chats, and here you can find the group chats or individual chats on messages or the primary here. So if you tap on that chat, if you long press on the chat, you will have couple of options there, and if you click on delete, that chat will now see that chat will be deleted, but can't be deleted to other person, only it will be deleted to yourself. So now if it is the group chat you want to delete, you can do same here. Tap on that group chat, you can find this couple of options, and if you tap on delete, that will be deleted. Same as well in the group chat, if you tap on delete, it will be deleted for you, not for the other persons. Make sure you delete for you, it will delete for yourself. And if you want to delete for other people, make sure you unsend all the messages, and after that you can go for the deleting group chat. Thank you.